Today I'm going to take you on a tour of Haywood Circle in University Park. That's basically Honore and University in the Sarasota-Bradenton border. Gorgeous property. The property had been for sale. It's coming off the market for sale, so disregard that sign. 3-car garage right off the bat, you see that. This property is really fantastic. 3,000 plus square feet. Formal dining area, living room, sitting area, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, office/den, plus a game room. And as you can see, it is top-line fixtures and built-ins. So immediately as you walk in there to the right, we've got the office/den. Opens up to a foyer area. On the left, we have a gorgeous formal dining room, tray ceiling, formal sitting area, views to the gorgeous pool and hot tub. Immediately to the right is the master, and it's a split plan. The other 3 bedrooms will be off to this side of the house. Let's take a look first at the master bedroom. The lens on the camera isn't wide enough for you to get an idea of just how large the rooms are. This is a big house. His and hers closets. I'll let you guess which one is hers and which one is his. We'll let you fight about that one. Separate sinks to do your own thing, and they're not side by side, which I actually think is a little bit more convenient. Separate water closet room. Nice soaking tub, Roman tub. Beautiful tile. Quality shutters/blinds throughout the house. And a walk-in shower. With 2 heads. Let's go back out into the main living area. I am going to take a right. And now we're entering the kitchen, family room, beautiful granite, lots of cabinetry, lots of counter space, especially with this center island, and an ample pantry closet. Again, the camera doesn't do justice to the size, but we're over 3,200 square feet in excellent condition. How gorgeous is this yard? How private is this yard? Sure, you've got neighbors on the right and the left, but you'd never know it. You have to crane your neck to realize it. Pool care is included in the rental. Let's see, which way shall I take you now? Well, let me describe. This will get you to the same place we're going as this will get you. Just wanted to point that out to you. So let's now look, see? So here we're coming to 2 bedrooms, a bath, and a surprise upstairs. Let's take a look here first. Plenty of room with cabinetry in your laundry area, your big 3-car garage. We won't waste too much time here. It's a garage. One bedroom. Second bath. We've seen the master bath. This is a second bath. There's 3 beds. We've seen the master bedroom. We just saw the second bedroom. Here's a 3rd bedroom. Oops! And I lied to you. That other corridor I showed you on the other side that I told you would get us to the same place, it doesn't. That's its own bedroom and bath. It's a separate suite. So we'll go see that after we take a look at the surprise upstairs. Wow. It's the only thing up here. Just a cool game room, or sewing room, or hobby room, or command central if you work at home. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. So let's go see that 4th bedroom. There we go. So we have its own bath, which in essence is the pool bath too, because it goes outside. And then we have a bedroom. So to recap, we've got one little suite area, bedroom and bath off by itself, off the kitchen area. Then we have the master suite with its full bath on one side of the house. And we have the section with the 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, big bonus room upstairs, and laundry room on the other side. And up front, we have the office den. Now, here's the rub. The rub is you can have this place annual only, annual rental, fully furnished or not furnished. You choose. Obviously, there's a price differential, and we'll have that in the listing, what the prices are. But there you go. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee, 941-225-8183. You have a great day and God bless you. Bye-bye.